Bando's on these rats tonight. Can you see them? There's definitely one in there. He's been here for about 10 minutes now. You see it? Is it there? Is it that one? Where is it? Where is it, Bando? You're gonna get it? Where are they? Where are they? This one? Is it in there? Yeah, it's in there, isn't it? Yeah, he's on these rats here. I'm not digging it up. They're not bothering me here, so I'm not going out my way to help him get them. If they're on my garden, that's a different matter. Is it there, Bando? Can you see it? Get it then. Get it, Bando. We've got at least 5 escape holes for this burrow. Or whatever they call a rat's nest. Is it a burrow? There's definitely one in there. Or something in there. I've never seen him digging for anything. Fuck no, he's gonna dig the fucking park up. This burrow, whatever it is, nest is deep, you can see how deep it is. He comes to these every night, these burrows, and it's the first time I've ever seen him start trying to dig. He's something, there's something there, definitely. He's had the taste of them now. He don't like rats. Come on then, Bando, call it a night. You're not going to get them, they're too far in, boy. Come on.